My name is Dominic, and I am a complete failure as a scientist. See you later. So, I work in an area of theoretical physics called quantum computing, which is always a great way to get people to say to stop talking to me at parties, because nobody knows what it is. So, a quantum computer exists in multiple possible universes at the same time and uses all of them at once to solve problems faster than ordinary computers can. This is hard. So the reason why nobody knows what quantum computing is because we don't actually have any quantum computers. So my day job is the design and programming of computers that do not yet exist. Which makes it a little bit difficult when people ask what I do all day. So other physicists, are there any physicists here? Other physicists, possibly you, have lasers and things that look like real science, right? Maybe. I get a pencil and the mysteries of the universe. So I wanted to tell you what I do all day. Step 1 in probing the fundamental mysteries of the universe. First, pick your mystery. This is not easy because the universe is a very mysterious place and there's lots of mysteries that you could be probing. So you've got to pick one mystery that's mysterious enough to be interesting, but is close enough to another mystery we've already solved to have a hope in hell of solving this one, but not so close that someone else is going to come up with the answer while you're still working on it. Got that? Right. So, you've got your mystery. Next step, you've got to figure out what's actually mysterious about it. This is the tiny piece right at the heart of the mystery that you have to work out in order to understand the whole. And in theoretical physics, this normally boils down to show that x equals y, or show that x doesn't equal y, or that sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, and never on a Tuesday. Right. At this point, what you need is a proof. So, as everyone knows, proof is a measure of alcohol strength. In theoretical physics, a proof is a way of convincing other people that you're right, because you're not allowed to bribe them with cake or alcohol. But what everyone can agree on for proof, the stronger the better. So, here I am, proving away. Mysteries of the universe, pencils flying everywhere, and the equations are coming down. And it's x equals y minus 2. I am a complete failure as a scientist. Then, at 2 o'clock in the morning, it's always 2 o'clock in the morning, my brain wakes up and it says, I think I've got the answer. Oh right, you've got the answer, just like all the other times today. Why don't you check? Dude, it is 2 o'clock in the morning, can we please do this during the daytime? I might forget. Okay, fine. We are doing this at 2 o'clock in the morning. I need a pencil. There is never a pencil at 2 o'clock in the morning. Paper, council tax bill. This is the reason I never remember to pay my council tax, because I've always used the other side to do mysteries of the universe. But now, 2 o'clock in the morning, paper all over the bed, the equations, this time they're working, and x equals y, and the whole universe is smiling because I figured it out. And I can't wait to tell everyone about it. And it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And you try getting back to sleep when you just figured out a mystery of the universe. As long as you're actually right. But either way, this isn't the end. Because even if you're right, you haven't actually solved a mystery of the universe. Sorry. What you've solved is a tiny piece of a small part of one puzzle that might just be one of the fundamental mysteries. And if you're very lucky, one day we'll have enough of those tiny pieces that somebody, and it could even be you, will put them together and figure out what's really been going on all this time. So, am I a complete failure as a scientist? This feeling actually has a name. It's called imposter syndrome. The feeling that no matter what I do, everyone else, with their mysteries, is so much cleverer and more interesting and more important than me. So what do you do with imposter syndrome? How do you carry on with the whole mysteries of the universe thing when you feel like the biggest fraud in the universe? Everyone's answer is different. And for me, the key, and I'm not saying this will work for everyone, but how I could stand here with some shred of confidence and say, my mystery on the back of my council tax is interesting, and I've worked out something cool, was to figure out something even more mysterious. I came out as transgender. I said this might not work for everybody. That's my mystery. What's yours? Thank you.